Today we are going to learn one of interesting features in Excel, track changes. Track changes is the feature that any actions on the Excel sheet will be recorded, tracked, and approved or rejected to update. So in the scenario that several people share one Excel sheet to do a work, the track changes set on. So anyone modify the sheet, other people will know who makes what update at any time, at what time. Or even in an individual work, any changes need to be reviewed. Track changes provides the possibility to record the updates and review any changes lately. So let's open the Excel sheet that the real operations. In the new version of Excel, Excel 2016, the track changes function has been removed from the standard toolbar. We cannot find the ribbon of track changes. So the first thing is we need to add the track changes ribbon on the toolbar. So another thing is to be considered. Another thing need to be considered is that you need to share an Excel sheet to others before using the track changes functions. I use a calendar template as an example. We are going to modify this sheet and use track changes to record any changes we make, review these changes, approve or reject any changes from the sheet. So on the menu, we can't find the ribbon of track changes. In the older version of Excel, it was in the Review tab. So we still need add the ribbon on the Review tab. On the blank area of the toolbar, right click, customize the ribbon, and choose commands from all commands. Scroll down, find Share Workbook here, and on the right, make a new group under the review, rename it Track Changes. Click OK. Add Share Workbook under it. And we still need to find the track changes command. Add it. Click OK. So we can see the two ribbons on the toolbar now. We click Share Workbook. We can see who has this workbook open now. If other people open this sheet, his name will show up in here too. Click Advanced. We can change some configurations after sharing this sheet. We click OK. So now let's check the sheet again. We move the mouse to the check changes, highlight changes, and check the options. We select check changes while editing. This also shares your workbook. And hook, select when and who, and click OK, and keep the default settings, highlight changes on the screen. Click OK. So now we can make some changes on this sheet. I modify this cell with Thomas. Technical report is not due. Okay. So when we move our mouse on the cell, on the modified cell, we can find the comment box showing up. And we also see the different color on the margin of the cell modified by me. So if other people modify this cell, the color of the margin will also be changed. So you can do this practice after my lecture. So after editing, we accept our changes or reject. So still go back, click the track changes ribbon again. Here, accept or reject changes. So we confirm it. So in here, we can select from when, not yet reviewed, and who, everyone. Click OK. So in here, interesting, we can see the history of the modifying this cell. We can see this cell, the original value is due, and then updated by me, and then Little Rabbit updated it. Little Rabbit continued to change it, and I updated it again. So I can accept the changes, or accept all the changes, or reject the all. Okay, so we try to accept all changes. So you can see this cell has changed, and all other updated contents, updated cells are also be changed at the same time. After that, we save this Excel. So now I give you 5 minutes to practice the track changes functions. Find a person to work on the sheet and see the track changes comments for each other. Accept or reject your changes. Thank you.